What's up guys, welcome back to the project. I know I wasn't planning to make another video so soon, but I really just couldn't get my mind off of the game. So I came in and I had the idea of creating just so I could clone the sprites. But that really just doesn't work on code.org. It works on Scratch and stuff like that. So what I did is, I'm gonna have to manually do all this, but then, instead of having to manually also add all the blocks, I made a function that will add all of them. So I can just write add sprites ice2, and then it will give all of the properties of the blocks and the side blocks. So I'll mainly use this for ice. I guess I just also learned something that this won't work if, I guess it should be add sprites add sprites slide, because then now those are only for the sliding ones, because if I wanted them not to slide, I wouldn't want it to inherit this trait. So you can see here that I added another ice. All I had to do was basically copy and paste, change all of that to 3, put it in the right X and Y, and that's really easy to do. And then I just, instead of having to also put blocks.add, side blocks.add, I could just do add sprites slide ice3, and then in it can inherit all the values. So it will slide on all of them, and it will collide with all of them. So I think I'm gonna just continue to build this up, and I might change all the sizes of the sprites because all of it is big, and I don't know if I want it to be this big because there's not much room on the screen. So I think I'm gonna change all the sizes. As you can see here, I dramatically decreased the sizes of everything to where you can barely even see them very well. So I think once the start of the game, there'll be a lot of zoom ups, but then when you're actually in gameplay, everything will be a lot smaller so I can fit more on the screen. But I'll do some adjusting. So I kind of made this, but this is kind of weird since if you fall off here, you're stuck. If you make it on here, this upper one, you are always sliding, so it's like you're kind of stuck here unless you can time it well. So I'm gonna actually just continue. This parkour course is definitely not gonna stay, but I'm just gonna use it to kind of show how easy it would be to make something like this. Alright guys, I have my platformer. This will definitely not be in the full game, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of hard. I've been practicing it, but I'll put the link in the description of the video, so go and try it out and see if you can beat it. And this video is a little bit shorter, and it's not really anything that will stay in the game, but just something I wanted to try out and see if it would work, and I thought it turned out pretty good, so see ya.